Hello everybody! Ngayon, magluluto po tayo ng ating supper and we have our potato. Gagamit po tayo ng air fryer. Ayan, na-slice ko na. And meron tayong Brussels sprouts. And itry natin ilagay sa air fryer yung eggplant. So, ayan yung ating air fryer. We are just heating it up for 10 minutes and it's on 360 degrees. Ano kayang lasa ng eggplant pag air fry lang siya, walang oil? And itry natin, first time na ilagay natin sa air fryer yung Brussels sprouts. Ayan, kasi ako is ini-steam ko lang, so I never tried the air fryer. And we also have our potatoes. So, kinat ko na siya para bite size na lang. And ilalagay natin sa ating air fryer with no oil. Diba? Ready na yung ating air fryer. Pwede na natin ilagay yung ating potato. Just take it off. And then, we'll just put our potato there. And then let's just fix it like that. Ayan. And let's put it back in our air fryer. So let's do that for 20 minutes. And then we will check maybe after 10 minutes para i-flip natin. I-check na natin ating potato after 10 minutes. Ayan. Ayun. So, i-flip lang natin para maluto yung iba. Pwede na nating ibalik ulit for another 10 minutes and it's gonna be ready. Okay, after 10 minutes, ayan na yung ating potato. Luto na siya. Looks good. Luto na yung ating beans. This is lentil and mung beans plus yung spices. Ayan. Luto na siya. Ang isusunod na po natin is yung ating eggplant. I-try natin siyang i-air fry. So, i-air fry natin siya. Let's try maybe 15 minutes. Okay, i-check na natin yung ating eggplant. Oh, ayan siya. That's how it looks. Parang na-dry but it looks still tasty. Ayan siya. So, luto na yung ating air-fried eggplant. Next natin, ilalagay na natin yung ating Brussels sprout. And then, let's put it back. So, maybe we'll wait for 10 to 15 minutes. Let's check our Brussels sprout. I think they're ready. Ayan yung ating Brussels sprout. They're ready. Air fried. Hello everyone! Ayan, luto na po yung ating meal for tonight. Ito po yung aming one-day meal. So, after 2 days of carrot juicing po, ngayon po is kakain kami ng plant-based meal. So, ayan yung niluto natin. Meron tayong potato, air fried. Tapos nilagyan ko siya ng dried oregano tsaka dried parsley and a little bit of pink salt. And meron tayong lettuce, tomatoes, and fresh spinach. And ito yung ating first time na nag-air fry ng eggplant. And meron tayong fresh carrot juice. And ito din yung first time na nag-air fry ako ng Brussels sprout. And gumawa ako ng bean soup, which is the mung beans and lentils. Tapos nilagyan ko siya ng spring onions, garlic, onion, and ginger plus turmeric. And pink salt plus ground na garlic. So, ayan. Yan ang aming one meal for today. And later, kakain kami ng konting fruits lang. So, I hope you guys will follow this. Ayan, puro siya air fry for today, yung mga veggies natin. Except yung fresh na lettuce and spinach, tsaka tomatoes. So, thank you for watching. Bye! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.